Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable always show icons never thumbnail in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable always show icon never show thumbnails on Windows 11 computer, go to your file explorer. In File Explorer, look my files and folders all showing thumbnails instead of icons. Now I'm going to change it to always show icons, never show thumbnails. Just click on three dot icon here to see more and click on options. In folder option, click on view tab. Here you will find the first option, always show icons, never thumbnails. Just click here and now click on apply. Look, now only showing icons, not showing thumbnails. If you uncheck it and then click on apply, again showing thumbnails instead of icons. This is the easy way to change behavior of your files and folders to show icons or thumbnails. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.